I turned this bud vase in a previous video, so today I'm going to add a little bit of color to the tops of the petals, and I'm going to use an airbrush for this. So I'm going to dilute the paint down a little bit because I want to see some of the dark grain still come through the paint. I've already sprayed this down with a little bit of diluted sanding sealer so that the grain won't raise when I apply the paint to it. So let's get started with this. First thing I'm going to do is going to remove that glass insert out. So I'm going to paint this in two different colors. I'm going to use a white to go around the outside of the petals, and then I'll blend a darker red from the inside and fade it into the white. So I'm starting off by using a Golden's titanium white. So I'm going to... I've already shaken it up. I'm going to put probably like 10 or 11 drops, that was, into the gum. And then add 4 drops of water, and that should be thin enough that it won't completely block out the grain. And I like to just slightly hold the tip and slightly apply some air. That'll mix the paint in. And actually I want to thin it out just a little bit more than that. So it's another 3 drops of water. Alright, let's see how this looks. So right now I'm running my airbrush at about 10 psi. Alright, so that's it for the white. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of water in the gun. And then grab a paper towel to clear it out. So I'm going to use a paper towel to blot out most of the diluted down paint. Okay, so all the white's been cleared out. Now I'm going to come in, shake it up. So this is a darker crimson red. So we'll start off with 4 drops of that. And go do 3 drops of water first. So what you can also do is you can just take a toothpick and use that to kind of like mix the paint and the water together in the cup. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right in the center. Alright, so now that I have the center nice and dark, I'm just going to back the brush off a little bit and start working my way to the sides. Okay, and then I'm just going to repeat that through all the petals. So now I'm just going back over and darkening up the centers a little bit more. Alright, so that's it for adding the color. I'm just going to let this paint dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to apply a diluted down lacquer over top of it. So now that everything is adequately dried, the next thing I need to do is to apply a finish on this. I'm going to use a water-based lacquer for this. So what I do is, to spray it right out of my airbrush, I dilute it down maybe about 30% with a little bit of water so that it can spray easier through the smaller nozzle of the airbrush. And all I'm going to do is give my little dropper bottle a good shake. Fill about half a cup. So we'll apply this in a couple thin coats. So I'm just applying it until I get a nice shiny surface, which would indicate that there's enough on it. Alright, so I'll let that coat dry for a little bit and then I'll come back and apply a few more coats and this will be all done.